How do you call nigga? How do you call nigga in Nepal?
काली हौसी धरेको
Kali.
हौसी। Where are you from?
I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
Africa.
Yeah, so today we are celebrating what?
Biscuit Jatra.
Jatra. Tell me. Gabi, say hi.
In Africa, N-word is banned. Yes, to white people.
Sorry?
Ding ding. No.
In Africa what?
No. N-word is banned. Yes.
Yes.
N-word.
No. In Africa, N-word is not banned.
No.
It is in Asia
From the
and
mouth
Europe.
of white people.
Oh, from the
Yeah.
No problem, man. No
Nigga.
problem. Yeah, I'm a nigga, man. What? Let's sing nigga song.
No. Here, nigga is so allowed.
Here, how do you call nigga? How do you call nigga in Nepal?
काली हौसी धरेको
Kali.
हौसी।
Nice. For us in Africa,
Nigga.
the nigga word.
Negro.
See, listen. In Africa, negro word is like bro. In Nepal here, you tell him bro, right?
No, we say oh bye.
Oh, bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Die. What is die?
I mean big brother, I mean
Big
small
brother.
brother.
Okay, you call me die, right?
No, I mean bhaichara, brotherhood.
Bye or die?
I mean big brother, I mean small brother, but
Okay,
because
you are my
I
bhai.
mean friend.
You are bye, right? Okay.
Come on, bye.
In Africa, we use the N word for ourselves.
Are you
But
putting
you
this
don't
in?
need to use the N word for me. Okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
you are putting this in YouTube.
Yeah, in YouTube.
What is your name?
Gabs. G-A-B-S. Okay?
GABS.
Yeah.
Right, your
GABS.
G-A-B-S. G-A-B-I.
GABI, Gabby.
Yeah. So tell us about today's festival.
how many subscribers you have?
I have 1 lakh subscribers.
1 million.
Yeah, not 1 million, 1 lakh. Let's have selfie, okay? Selfie with my die. Bye or die.
Bye.
Die. Nice to meet you. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.